Good morning.
Morning.
And welcome to Walt Disney World Day 8. How?
Vanishing.
It is, but we're having such a lovely time.
My feet are starting to feel a little bit happier after 2 slightly quieter days.
Yeah, they've been really nice and really needed. It's just after 7:30 in the morning. We are up, we are dressed, we are doing new things today. So we are off to the, it's a running trail around here. We're off to the Riviera Resort this morning. So Andy, Dawn and Alba, this one's for you. We're off to Topolino's Terrace to have breakfast. Very exciting. We haven't had a breakfast reservation this trip.
No, and it's a character breakfast.
Yeah, so we're off to do that. And then we've decided that we're going to go to Blizzard Beach. The weather has been so warm this trip that we think that we're going to go and not get cold. So we're going to
go earlier enough in the day that the sun won't start going away.
Yeah, because it does start to drop off a little bit then. So we won't be able to record loads and loads of Blizzard Beach, but we have got a previous Blizzard Beach vlog, oh, that's hard to say, which we will make sure that we tag so that you can see that if you want to see what happens at Blizzard Beach. Then afterwards, depending on what the time is, we're going to come back, chill. Oh yeah, mini golf, then chill, and then go to Epcot. So it's going to be
mini golf again.
Yeah, so it's going to be a pretty action-packed day. But first stop, the Skyliner, which actually I don't even know if it started yet. I think just started because there's a tiny bit of a queue. So come with us. I'm very excited about this breakfast.
So what did we learn this morning?
So, we've got breakfast at the Riviera, and this section doesn't start until 9:30 because it's the one that services Epcot. But we asked a cast member, and basically what happens, so I'm getting really distracted because we're so quiet.
Yeah, we're just being let in to...
Yeah.
There we go, we'll be let out now.
Oh yeah, here we go, because they're coming out. There we go. We just got really close. Basically we asked a cast member and they said that if you've got a reservation for somewhere at Riviera, you're allowed to use this Skyliner, which is great because I think it must be coming the other way for Riviera guests who want to get to Hollywood Studios. So it is up and running, but you're technically not meant to be on this one going to Riviera, but to say we have to do to show our reservation, and they were like, yeah, get on. So we have a VIP Skyliner trip. You can walk from here to the Riviera, and I think it would have been touch and go as to whether we would have made it on time. We may have looked a little bit frazzled because it is a massive resort Caribbean beach, but this is much better.
Yeah. And just like that, we are here. And Katie's taking pictures of the Skyliner.
It's so cool when it goes over the top of you. I'm excited about this, and we're literally bang on time. It's 8 o'clock.
So we wouldn't have probably known how to walk it.
The dam is breaking in. It was bound to happen, 'cause your heart is caving in. So why you bother?
Oh, we just got pied. We just got pied by Mickey Mouse. I am devastated.
Camera ready and everything.
I'm gonna eat my feelings now. Hi, Minnie.
Hey, Minnie.
Oh, you look lovely today. I love your dress. Very pretty.
Number 1.
You shake your tail feathers for me for a boomerang. Oh, lovely. You've got the moves. Show us your favourite dance moves. Oh, so beautiful. Thank you so much. You look lovely. This was a really, really good breakfast.
Yeah,
really
would
enjoyed
recommend.
it. Yeah, you can choose.
Even if Mickey does pie us, which we obviously we're totally over, we're totally fine about it.
You can have as much of the food as you want. So we did try 4 things. They differ in size. I would actually recommend that you definitely do get 2, just to try, because some of them are a lot smaller than others, as you'll see on the footage, and it means that you could be spending a hell of a lot of money and not a lot of food. So we're really glad that we did it as it was. The character interactions are really good. Obviously it's different at the moment because of social distancing.
Yeah, you stay your seat and give them away.
Yeah, but it was really
But
nice.
they get around really quickly.
Yeah, and they come around quite often, so they've got like the celebration parade that you'll have seen. They've got just them coming round and spending a little bit more time. But yeah, all in all, atmosphere, food, the fact it's character dining, really enjoyed it. And then you get this autograph card at the end, because obviously they can't do autographs at the moment, but you do get this card. I think that's really cute.
It is cute.
It's pretty good quality paper as well, actually. So yeah, all in all. Oh, you got the pastries as well.
Oh yeah, you get the pastries at the beginning with Nutella jam and butter.
And all the like standard non-alcoholic drinks are included as well. So
Jungle juice.
yeah, it's their Riviera juice, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's not quite jungle juice. Yeah, it was.
Basically the same flavours, like guava and mango and passion fruit.
And we've been in here for about an hour, haven't felt rushed, it's been pretty chilled. What I would say is that we had an 8 o'clock reservation and it was definitely quieter then. So I would say to get the most out of your time here, a really, really early reservation, and then obviously head off to the parks because it's starting to get really busy.
Yeah, people are waiting at the bar to be sat.
Yeah.
So they've run out of room probably in the waiting area a bit.
Yeah, so that would probably be my only suggestion. But yeah, overall, we come back.
Yeah, come
I
back.
think I'd quite like to try dinner. I think this would be a really good date spot.
And you get fireworks to use.
Will we get pied? Will we get pied? Hey Mickey!
Hey, Mickey.
Oh, thanks for having us this morning. Oh, we're so full. So full, it was lovely. Bye. You've redeemed yourself. You're back in our good books, Mickey.
Ask us a couple of questions, we'll let you off.
Yeah. So, yeah, don't know what happened there, but we're back. We're back. Yeah. It's funny because whenever we go and look around the resorts, we play a game of spot the difference in terms of like what's the difference between a value, moderate and deluxe. And one of the big things that we notice, which always amuses us, is the quality of the deck chairs.
Yeah, the lounge chairs
And
have
the sun
cushions.
lounges. Yeah, but they go up in like stages. So ours are like the basic, like
They have
plastic.
no cushions,
Yeah,
they
no,
just have like
plastic
suspended
strip.
plastic. So it's kind of cushion, but it's not a cushion.
Yeah, then the moderate one we stayed at Port Orleans Riverside was more like mesh rather than like the plastic. Yeah. And then when you get to a deluxe, they're padded, and it just really makes us laugh, the fact that like that's sort of the type of difference in detail that Disney goes to depending on where you stay. Just makes us laugh. From the French Riviera, get my words out, to the Caribbean. It's so weird. It's literally like a 2-minute walk from Riviera round.
That used to be part of Caribbean Beach.
Yeah, I think it did.
There used to be a section there. I can't remember what
so.
it was, and they knocked it down.
Yeah, but we're just having a little bit of a stroll. It's not as warm this morning as we thought it was going to be. It is starting to feel a bit muggy. I think there was no point me straightening my hair this morning because it's quite humid. So we do not think that the water park's going to be busy, because I reckon that if anything it's just going to be us Brits there, because we're like, yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, it's basically summer weather.
Exactly. So we are going to take it easy. Definitely need to let that breakfast go down.
Yeah, a lot of food in the end.
So we think, oh,
careful.
we think there are,
you know, we're going for a walk park, don't we? Twist your ankle again.
we think that there are freestyle machines here, so we're going to have a little bit of a look around Caribbean Beach, do a slow head over to Blizzard Beach. You have to go to Animal Kingdom and swap, so it's not like the most straightforward way to get to there anyway.
You said you reckon that's just a standard winter thing, didn't you?
I think so, yeah.
Hopefully they haven't changed that permanently, because in the summer that would be a nightmare.
Yeah, it would be a bit annoying, wouldn't it? So we're going to do that, and then we might swap the day around a little bit and do mini golf first, while hopefully like the sun breaks through, because it's meant to warm up to like 27 degrees about midday, and that would be ideal water park weather. So we will see, but for now
let's come back to changing plans, okay?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, the one where we kept changing our plans, but we were actually meant to stay at we were meant to stay at Caribbean Beach, I don't know, one of our trips that got cancelled.
September just gone.
But that wasn't meant to be, so it's really nice to actually be here, because we've never been here before, and it's so close to Pop. As I say, one stop on the Skyliner takes like 2 minutes, but we haven't actually had a look around yet. No. So it's nice to experience the resorts, especially when the parks get quite busy, getting to just look around the resorts and have some chill time.
It's so much more chill during the day at the resorts.
Oh, absolutely.
Surprisingly, a lot of people do stick around for the day.
Yeah, but it's something that we really enjoy doing.
It looks a lot longer on the map, the stroll.
Yeah.
It's a big resort, but
it doesn't take too long, does it?
No, 5 minutes.
If that, yeah. Caribbean Beach has so many really cute little places that you can just sit and chill. There are hammocks, there are sun loungers dotted around on like little man-made beaches. Porch chairs. And then there's little porch chairs like this. They're so cute. And these are open from dawn till dusk. And there's quite a few of them along the water, and it's so peaceful. It's lovely. Disney seem to be putting on more and more coaches to get to parks. I don't know if it's because they don't have enough buses, or it's just that they need extra, and well, again, they don't have enough buses, so they're putting on coaches. But VIP coach trip to Animal Kingdom, and then we will be getting a connection to Blizzard Beach, because they're not going direct at the moment. We are doing a tour of the resort first, because I think we got picked up at the first stop, but that's alright. We are not in any rush today, and it's quite nice actually just to have a little tour of the resort.
Yeah, round to walk it.
This resort is so big it has an internal shuttle, which
a little bit like all into
we have arrived at Typhoon Lagoon.
No, we haven't.
No, we haven't. We have arrived at Blizzard Beach. Yeah. The transfer at Animal Kingdom, we were so lucky. We got off of our bus and there was one, literally it was just about to pull off, and I was like, wait! And they opened up and let us on.
But we saw some people behind us that weren't so lucky.
Yeah.
We got pulled out as like a kid was running towards, so
if you time it right, it's easy. So easy to get here.
And we've got to go back that way as well. There's a couple of the resorts in the Animal Kingdom area you can go straight to from here.
Yeah, so
but our one is we've got to go back to Animal Kingdom and back.
Yeah, but that's okay. It's really not that bad. We have been to this mini golf before, and we did Summerland, so we're going to try and do Winterland this time. I guess it depends which one's quieter, but we are going to see, because we're not entirely sure if mini golf is included on our tickets or if we're going to have to pay for it. So that's what we're going to find out now, and then we're going to play mini golf, and it's going to get competitive.
Always.
So we have found out if you've got the UK Ultimate Park ticket, you get 1 round of mini golf per day before 4 PM, which is great. So there are 4 courses in total here in Disney. There's 2 at Blizzard Beach, and then there are 2 at Fantasia in like near the boardwalk. We think we might go and do the other one, but it's going to be before 4 o'clock. No, after 4 o'clock potentially today, or maybe we'll do it tomorrow. We'll see. We haven't decided yet. Maybe 2 rounds of mini golf might be a little bit much for our relationship in a day, and also don't know if we really want to pay for it when we would have it included tomorrow. So we'll see. We will see what we decide to do. And the results are in.
40 to 39. I did take a couple more mulligans though. Call it a draw?
We'll call it a draw. We are scarily similar when it comes to mini golf.
We're either equally good or equally bad. I don't know what it is.
We clearly have similar.
Until we play with other people, then one of us normally wins and the other comes last.
Yeah. We don't do well performing our mini golf in front of others. But yeah.
I'm good, enjoyed that.
I really enjoyed that.
It's quite hot.
It's very muggy, yes, so it's time to head in to Blizzard Beach. Yeah, you're going on Summit Plummet.
120-foot drop.
I am not doing that.
I'm not going to record that time. I recorded it before, so I'll link that video and show you what it's like. I took the waterproof camera down there.
Yeah, yeah, we're not doing that today. Our waterproof isn't very good, so it's not the best footage that you would see.
And I won't, then I'll not take my phone on it, even though it's waterproof.
Absolutely not. So we're just going to go and enjoy some of the water park. We'll show you the bits and pieces that we can, but you'll probably see more from us later as we're getting ready to go to Epcot. It's so quiet here. Like,
so quiet.
Yeah.
Obviously it's the winter, so obviously
not many people decide to come.
Floridians, I really like come to water park, but it's cold.
Yeah. No, but it's actually quite a nice temperature and the sun's starting to burn through, so I feel comfortable. The water's a little chilly. But
well, we are at a place where it's melted snow, so.
That's very true. You're going on Summit Plummet.
Yep. Might as well get it done first and then give my back time to recover, because it will probably beat me up on the way down as it did before.
I'm more of a lazy river
like I say,
toboggan.
there's a video of me doing it.
We'll link
before,
it.
which we'll put in.
So I'm more of a lazy river toboggan at a push kind of girl. So you're going to head up there now.
Wow,
and
sea lifts.
Yeah, I will wait down here for you and try not to fall over.
Yeah, please don't break this time.
Have fun. Yeah, it's not for me. Bye. Do you feel like one of the princesses in the parade? Okay. Do you feel like one of the princesses in the parade?
I think I've earned that.
And I will support you.
It's better than I remember.
Yeah?
Well, better than the second time I remember. I didn't get as thrown around.
Yeah? You enjoyed it though?
It was good, but it's that initial fear of falling off. Woof!
Yeah, not for me.
But before you even thought about it, you're already at the bottom.
No.
I actually felt I'd gone like all the way down, so when I got up and realised I couldn't walk backwards, I was like, oh.
You won't even get me up the stairs.
The whole family of us.
You gonna do Slush and Gushy this time?
No.
No, you didn't like that one either, did you?
No. I did not like that one
You went
either.
first that time as well.
No, I will do the toboggans. I will do, maybe we'll go do like, I don't know, one of the 2 raft people ones.
Yeah.
I'll do those where you spend minimum time in the water, but me and water parks don't massively mix.
Which is why we're kind of doing a short tour of Flippy Beach.
But time to put the camera away, because as I say, we don't have our waterproof with us. We will catch up with you later. We have been here for a lot longer than we thought that we were going to be.
Yeah, it's now 3:10.
Yeah.
So we've been here for about 4 hours-ish.
Yeah. Gosh, yeah. So we have done all of the rides apart from one that was broken. Oh. Yeah, apart from one that was broken. We did
Downhill double dipper.
Yeah, it's a really good one actually. We did the lazy river, which was so long.
So slow.
Yeah.
So lazy.
It was good though.
So lazy that I felt like I got my energy back.
And then we had a hot dog, which was nice, but it was small for the price, and we didn't have the camera out to film that.
That was a hot dog with macaroni cheese on top. With
It was
like,
nice.
Bacon bits.
It was nice.
Good,
But
but
it was
yeah, it was small
expensive.
for what it was.
And now we have spotted a 50th anniversary ice cream that we want to get, so we're going to get one of those. Then we need to get on the bus to go back to Animal Kingdom. We think we're then going to get the bus to Caribbean Beach so that we can refill our mugs, because the Freestar machines there are really good. And it's only then like 2 minutes on the Skyliner.
Yeah.
And we've got plenty of time because our Ratatouille lightning lane, I can't remember if we said that that's what we've got. Oh, well, we have a Ratatouille lightning lane for this afternoon because we didn't buy Genie Plus the last couple of days. We decided that we would get a Ratatouille one because although we heard it's very similar to Paris.
I just want to say, what I want to say is, I want to
Yeah.
see what the Americans have done with it.
Absolutely, so we're going to do that, maybe grab a little something to eat in Epcot. We'll probably have an earlier night because we need to start the P word.
And also need to conserve our energy for tomorrow.
Yes, this is very true.
We have a party tomorrow.
We do, and it actually is tomorrow. If you've seen our last vlog, we'll link it, where we sort of had the nightmare situation of
Brain
forgetting.
meltdown.
Yeah.
We forgot it was Sunday on Tuesday.
Yeah. But yeah, I think that's it. I want this ice cream.
Yeah, that's cool. Laziest of lazy rivers.
Yeah.
Pretty sure it took about 20 minutes to get around it. Oh, of course. Who I have to part with? I bet you're all wondering how we ever get through an ice cream and there's not be a puddle before we actually get anywhere.
Sorry. Ready?
No. What flavour is it? Oh, it's birthday cake you said, didn't you?
Oh yeah, that's what it is. Oh yeah. Birthday cake, and then what's the blue?
I think it's just the two together as birthday cake. I think it's just the iridescent dye.
That's really good.
Yeah.
Want some? No? Good.
Yes. Hand it over. Now. What do you think?
That was really good. It is debatable as to whether that was worth the price.
But it tasted really good.
But
Just flavour alone, you said that's one of your favourite snacks.
Yeah, it really was. That birthday cake soft serve, but it's so difficult to eat. You need to eat it within like a second. And
Basically, you don't need to. You shouldn't be Instagramming it. If you want to eat it, you need to not Instagram it first.
but it looked really cute. Yeah, our hands are covered, and our teeth, and our tongues, and everything.
Yeah, we end up all over my face. Just like that. Take on a bus.
Literally, we sat down for a millisecond, and a bus turned up. So it's off to Animal Kingdom, and then Caribbean Beach.
On to the next one, which is waiting.
So lucky. Like, that was
Literally
so jammy.
off one onto another, and we're already on our way. Timed it perfectly today, haven't we? Literally every bus.
It's later now. We had a can't remember the last time that we saw you. Someone had to run back to the room because he forgot his bag. Nothing, dear. I can't remember the last time that we filmed. It might have been leaving Blizzard Beach, but we
getting on the bus from Animal Kingdom.
Oh yes. And we went back to Caribbean Beach. We got a drink. We got the Skyliner back. We had to go to reception because we had another issue with our room back with the, people go out and lift. So if you've been watching our previous vlogs, we've had a couple of issues where housekeeping have just skipped our room.
Yeah, I can't work out why.
Yeah.
And neither can the lady at reception work out why.
No, and we thought it was resolved, but again, we've gone another 3 days without our towels or bins being changed. So we had to go to reception again. Fair play to Disney. They did get it turned around in like 5 minutes. We have
to
all
the
the
point that we had 2 lots of people show up with fresh towels and to clean the bins.
Yeah. So it's all sorted now, but it has been a little bit frustrating. So once we'd got all of that sorted, we didn't really have very long to get ready to go out again because we have a Ratatouille lightning lane which finishes at 6:35. It's just after 6 now. We're really not that far away from Epcot using the 2 Skyliners, and Ratatouille is right at the back of the park where you enter. So we'll be fine, and
even if you're 10 minutes late, there's about a 15-minute leeway.
Yeah, there's a grace period, and also we sort of guessed that as long as you're pretty close to the time, when we've paid so much money for these lightning lanes, it is not in Disney's interest to say no. Obviously, you can't be like hours late, but yeah, we will be fine. And then it's just finding somewhere to eat and having another chilled evening, really. Most of our packing has been done. We've been packing as we go.
Yes, it's not such a big chore at the end of the holiday and not so depressing.
Yeah, exactly. It's
kind of, you put all the dirty clothes in the bag, zip it up, put it under the bed.
Forget about it. But we do need to do things like our passenger locator forms. We've got our tests to get back to the UK tomorrow. We're not going to be vlogging about that loads because we just don't know what the state of the world's going to be.
I mean,
it changed while we were here.
Yeah. Twice.
Yeah. So, and I know that it was even different for people a couple of weeks ago, so it's ever changing, and we wouldn't want you to take the vlog as what it is at the time, and actually it's different. So
it's always just worth checking on the government website.
Yeah, so we won't be going over it in too much detail, but we will let you know what it is that we've had to do to get home and our experience. So we need to sort of sort a few of those bits and pieces out. And yeah, just have a chilled one because tomorrow is a really busy day, up early, out and about for a very magical, Merry Christmas, Magic Kingdom day. But yeah. The Skyliner has been so slow this evening. I think we've been on this for about 10 minutes. It keeps,
if not 15.
yeah, it keeps stopping and starting.
We are now arriving at Epcot. To all who come to this place of joy, hope, and friendship, welcome.
Yeah. So we haven't got far to go.
No, I remember that. Well, that was a building site.
Yeah, I know.
2 years ago.
Yeah. But it's now time for Ratatouille. So good job, that's at the back of the park. We are in the picture. We are 7 minutes late. I'm sure it'll be fine. But, oh 9, sorry, 9 minutes late. I'm sure it'll be fine.
They've only got to Group 96 today.
Wow. I don't know how many.
150 odd the other day.
I wonder if it went down.
A bit later in the night. I did say that earlier, didn't I?
Yeah.
Also, I didn't get it open later today.
Oh, yeah. We will be fine. We will be able to get on. I'm excited about trying this when it's all in English because we don't really know what happens with the French one.
Don't we, in Paris?
Yeah. So it'll be interesting to see if that sort of adds to the ride.
I also want to see if there's some more like 4D effects.
If it's more Flight of Passage-y.
Yeah.
Yeah.
More like puffs of air and
yeah.
Add to the immersion.
Well, let's go see.
Wow.
Ooh, it is busy in Epcot tonight. So is that the standby queue?
There is no standby queue.
So are they, but what are all these people queuing for then? absolutely crazy out there. What we've just heard is that with the boarding route, once your number has been called, it's actually still at least a 30-minute wait for the ride.
Thank you.
Thanks. So I guess it's because you're joining it's a virtual queue.
It's a bit like Gideon's yesterday.
Yeah, that's
2.5
true.
hours instead of 15-20 minute wait when you actually get in the queue, because there's just so many people.
Yeah, that's true.
They call something like 15 groups at a time.
Wow, so yeah, I guess so.
15, 16 groups.
Ooh.
The city of light. And you have brought to life, because tonight, Chef Remy is preparing one of his specialties, which I am certain you will enjoy. Remember, food always comes to those who love to cook, but Chef Remy is waiting for you. This way. Qu'attendez-vous?
Cette nourriture est pour nos invités, pas pour vous. Hey guys, the food is for them, not you.
That was really good. It is definitely better. It's more immersive than Disneyland Paris. There's more things that happen. So you really feel...
It's literally the same right, start to finish.
Yeah.
Apart from the bit when you're under the table, you've actually got wheels either side of you.
Yeah, that
and they
was
change
really
direction whenever you're
Oh my
moving.
God. Yeah, that was really cool.
And you get a little bit wet, and you can feel the heat of the cooker.
Yeah, it was good. It was really good. It's absolute carnage here though. I don't know if the ride went down. It's just really busy.
It was the other day when they were calling the corner groups that weren't bad.
Yeah, no. There are cast members who, bless them, I think are very, very stressed.
Oh yeah, wasn't very magical when the doors got closed next to me.
Yeah, it's
my life.
yeah, it was
I think basically there was a lady that was giving the go-ahead, but then nobody was closing the doors. She was like, I'm not going to get any help here. I think she'd been struggling all day with it, because she seemed to be at the end of her tether. Yeah,
cast members are under a lot of stress here, bless them, especially when it's this busy. Like, I mean, well, by the time these vlogs go out, we're going to be into the new year and maybe things will quieten down a little bit, but anyone coming into the Christmas period, wow. Wow. We are going to mobile order some dinner now.
Legal?
Yes, we are. So the next time slot is in about 15-20 minutes, which is fine. So I think let's pull over, order. I say mobile order is great. Very much recommend it. We're going to order that so that we can go and just, it'll be ready for us to eat when we get there.
I like the fact it's on garlic toast.
Yeah.
You got that view. See that? Good food.
That was a very nice meal.
It wasn't too expensive, was it?
No, it was like $23 for the two. I did get a kids meal because I wasn't.
The size of that meal.
Yeah, it was like the amount of meat that I had on those ribs was insane. And you got two sides of the drink.
Your sides were like slightly smaller, but the amount of meat made it up by more than anything.
Yeah, absolutely. It was really, really nice. We've both just been saying that if we came at Christmas again, we would do a nighttime meal or a dinner package so that we could go and see the candlelight processional. I think you can, yeah, you can do the standby queue, but I think you must have to be there like mega early because it sells out or gets filled up really quickly. And we just haven't been here at a time to sort of make that work.
We keep coming in and it's already be underway.
Yeah. Oh, fireworks. What's that from? What time is it? 8 o'clock? Magic Kingdom?
Yeah, must be.
Yeah, must be Magic Kingdom. Oh.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, definitely Magic Kingdom.
Oh, they look really pretty. We're seeing that tomorrow. We haven't seen it like up close and personal, so I'm quite excited about that.
Yeah, and we get to see 2 lots tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
Christmas fireworks as well.
Yeah, because we're actually going to a Christmas party tomorrow night.
And we shan't forget.
Don't know what I was about to say.
You got put up on the fireworks.
Yeah, distracted. Soaring has a 15-minute wait, so we're going to go do that. Living with the Land also has a 5-minute wait, so I'm quite tempted by that.
Yeah, let's do that. Pavilion.
Yes, and then we're probably going to head out. I'm in search of a magnet for my mum, because I don't know if we've said, but magnets, plushes and mugs are just not a thing in Disney, really.
Things that were everywhere when we were on our last trip 2 years ago. Yeah, just don't seem to be anywhere.
I mean, I don't know, a magnet's not cool anymore because we collect magnets.
I mean, it could also be that they've got a lot of Christmas decorations out. And
yes.
it's like taking up some of the space.
Yeah, possibly. Let's see. In the queue at 8:27. It says it's 15 minutes.
We'll let you know.
Let's see what time we board.
Where scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of Agriculture illuminate the wondrous gifts we receive from the land. Join us as we ring in the most bountiful time of the year.
So, just got off of Soaring first, which was...
Oh yes, it turned out to be a
25-minute wait, but it was like 30 minutes literally after we got in. Always, we seem to be dragging the queues with us everywhere we go.
But we were in the middle, if that makes sense.
Yeah, which is probably
row.
some of the best seats because you get less distortion on the screen.
I think it was like, we didn't have a wonky Eiffel Tower.
It was a little bit wonky on the way up, but it wasn't quite crooked like it normally can be. And then we got on Living with the Land.
Yeah, front row.
Christmas overlay.
Yeah, it's really cute with the Christmas overlay.
Well, that's really relaxing. So when you're a little bit tired, as I am, I feel myself a bit like, ooh.
Yeah, because it was really warm in the greenhouse as well. I think we're going to call it a day. We're not watching the fireworks. I cannot deal with the waiting for the Skyliner afterwards. So we're going to head off now. We're going to go to the Riviera and get a magnet, but the shop closes in half an hour. But we should definitely make it.
Oh, we should definitely make it to the shop and then fill our drink up at the quick service, which closes at 11.
Yeah, and then head back. We were going to do our passenger locator forms tonight, but no.
We don't want to template because we've got to do our negative test yet.
Yeah, so we'll do those in the morning and then we'll do our passenger locator forms. We'll get them done. Oh, it's just the admin of the stuff to go home. It all just makes it feel like you're going home starts
Early.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a bit rubbish.
Well, thankfully we've got a Christmas party to take mind of for that tomorrow evening.
Yeah, we do.
Well, I think we need a decent night's sleep before then.
Absolutely, I'm exhausted. I was just thinking, I was like, if we were at the party now, it would be going on for another 3.5 hours, and I'm like, I can't be dealing with that right now, so I'm gonna need a nap tomorrow afternoon.
Yeah, I think I might join you on that. I was like, I wouldn't need a nap, but all of a sudden, after sitting in there and the warmness of Soaring as well, Soaring was very warm on the way.
They're just both very
like,
relaxing rides.
No sleep.
But yeah, back we go. Let's try and have an early-ish.
Early for Disney.
Would we be Kate and Dean without a change of plan? We decided not to bother going to Riviera.
We left Epcot a little bit later than planned, and
yeah.
We were worried if we went to the Riviera to have a bit of a look around, we'd end up coming back in the height of everyone leaving for the fireworks.
Yeah, and also...
Plus side, we got to see the fireworks from the gondolas again.
We did. Yes, we did do that. We didn't go to Caribbean Beach for a drink because we've got water and like Coke and stuff in the room.
And if I really want to get a drink, I'll just go out and get one.
Yeah, but I can't be bothered.
No.
I want to go home and crash. We just had some really lovely conversations with people in the Skyliner. I must say, like, because you are put in groups, normally no more than 2 groups, but sometimes they put 3 like groups of 2 in. And you are on there for like a few minutes. We have actually like had some really nice conversations with people. Yeah. They're just generally like interested about us being back in America, or like how long we vacation for, and like just asking questions, and obviously we asked the same, and yeah, it's really nice. We have had like genuinely some really lovely conversations.
Everyone over here seems really nice.
Yeah,
it's a Disney bubble.
yeah, exactly. It's so lovely. And I do think that like the C word has meant that like there's this new appreciation for traveling and like just being able to talk to people from different places, and
everyone's got that common understanding of
isn't it good to be here?
Pretty rubbish.
Yeah, absolutely. But as I say, we're heading back to the room now. Time to crash because it's an early start.
Ready for tomorrow.
Yeah, it's an early start tomorrow.
Still a little airport fireworks.
Yeah. So if you're still here on the end of day 8, thank you so much for watching. We do appreciate it. Please hit like if you enjoyed.
Subscribe.
And this way. I thought we'd missed our turning. And we will see you again tomorrow for a very, 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 very Magic Kingdom day.
Yes.
And night into the following morning. Bye.
I'll be dreaming about this.